What is going on, guys? Being Pete here, and I will be doing another video. And today's video, I will be opening up this awesome fake Pokemon booster pack. I will be opening 5 of them today. By the way, I got new lightings. This is like my light. You can see the lamp. That is the lamp. Like, that is my new lighting, and this is for placing good Pokemon cards. So let's get into it then. Let's crack open Tapu Koko first, why not? Let's do this, put it on here. By the way, guys, oh my god, it kept falling down every single video. So if you like fake Pokemon cards videos, please leave a like. If we can hit like 10 likes, I will do another one of these. So, by the way, these are fake, as you can see. Like, they're really easy to spot. You can feel the plastic. They are really cheap. So, the plastic feels cheap. So let's get into it then. What on earth is this? Ah! Tapu Fini Full Art GX, guys. Wow, what a card. Put it on there. Like that. Okay. Ooh, that's a really good thing. Wow, Inkay, Molo, Mario, Pansia, Tanamo, a flip. What? There's 2 energy cards in a pack. Whatever. Fire energy. And a holographic. Beware. Whatever. Put it down there. So that is not a GX, so I'm not putting you on the share. Share of GX. Let's go for Lycanroc next. Here we are. What is this? Another GX. Here we are. A Darkrai GX. Whoa, we got another GX! Hooray! Darkrai GX, non-holo. Put you right there as well. With the Tapu Fini. My god. Just put it like that. Malama, Alolan Rattata, Ribombee, Gyarados, Seal, Electric, and a Electric Energy Recycler, and another Darkrai GX. What is this pack? Woo! Let me stand up. By the way, I'm sitting down for this. Let's put this like right here. That is. So let's crack into Como right here. Como O. Let's go. Oh, it doesn't start with a red this time. Here we are, Magikarp, Heatmore, Togedemaru, Scolipede, Fighting Energy, Porygon. So you go like this. Pasmia, and last but not least, holographic whatevs. I don't know how to say those guys' name. Oh shoot, I just knocked the camera. Put this guy back into. Okay, so let's get cracking into another pack then. Let's go. By the way, guys, if you're new, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. So Solrock, Alolan Vulpix, Charmander, Pikachu, Toxic and Water Energy, Porygon 2, here we are, and Crabborer, and a Pancham. We didn't get a GX. Aww, for 2 packs already. Last but not least, the last pack, guys. Here we are, the last pack. By the way, guys, if you like fake Pokemon cards, tell me in the description. The comment down below, so I can do more of these. Let's move it down a bit. It's easier for you guys. This Darkrai, Kirlia, Weevil. Oh, Machamp GX. Put it in right there. Cedra, Charmeleon, Super Scuba, and a Whirlipede, and a Whipping Bell, guys. Here it is. A Victory Bell. Damn it. So, guys, that is gonna be it for this video. If you haven't seen the video that I open up a fake Pokemon card, check it out up here, right there, right now. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Click there to subscribe. And a really good video that I just make, like a really good card that I just get right down there. So if you click into those links, you will get into those videos. So anyways, guys, see you in the next video. Bye!